Elephants are magnificent creatures, revered for their size, strength, and gentle nature. These majestic beings have roamed the earth for centuries, embodying wisdom and grace. They roam the savannah, wise and ancient, moving in herds that span generations. Their presence is a testament to the beauty and diversity of our natural world. Their families are close-knit, with deep bonds that are formed over lifetimes. Mothers nurture their young with care, and the entire herd looks out for one another. These gentle giants captivate us with their intelligence and grace. They use their trunks to communicate, play, and show affection, displaying a range of emotions similar to humans. But elephants are in danger. Despite their strength and size, they face numerous threats that jeopardize their existence. Their very survival hangs in the balance as they struggle against the encroaching dangers of the modern world. Poachers target elephants for their ivory tusks, driven by greed and the lucrative black market trade. This illegal trade claims the lives of countless elephants every year, pushing them closer to extinction. Habitat loss is another grave threat. As forests are cleared and lands are developed, elephants lose the spaces they need to thrive. As humans expand into their territory, elephants lose their homes and food sources, leading to increased human-elephant conflicts. This conflict pushes them closer to the brink as they struggle to find food and safety in a rapidly changing world. We must act now to protect these incredible animals. Conservation efforts are crucial in ensuring their survival and the preservation of their habitats. The time for complacency is long gone. It is our responsibility to safeguard the future of elephants and ensure that these gentle giants continue to grace our planet for generations to come. The statistics are alarming. Every day, nearly 100 elephants are killed for their ivory. That's one elephant every 15 minutes. This brutal trade is driven by demand for ivory products. We must break this cycle of greed and destruction. Habitat loss is equally devastating. Forests are cleared for agriculture and development. This leaves elephants with nowhere to go. Their ancient migration routes are disrupted. This forces them into conflict with humans. The consequences are dire for both elephants and people. We must find ways to coexist and protect their shrinking habitat. In the face of this crisis, hope emerges. The plight of elephants has reached a critical point, but there is a beacon of light. The Elephant Crisis Fund, or ECF, stands as a vital lifeline. It is a global initiative dedicated to saving elephants from extinction. Founded in 2013, the ECF unites conservationists, organizations, and concerned citizens. Together, they form a powerful alliance to combat the threats facing elephants. Their mission is clear: to end the ivory crisis, protect elephant habitat, and secure a future for these magnificent animals. They strive to create a world where elephants can thrive. The ECF employs a multi-pronged approach. They understand that saving elephants requires a comprehensive strategy. They support anti-poaching patrols to protect elephants in the wild. These brave rangers risk their lives to ensure the safety of these majestic creatures. They work to dismantle ivory trafficking networks and reduce demand. By targeting the illegal trade, they aim to cut off the supply chain. They empower local communities to become stewards of their own wildlife. Education and involvement are key to long-term success, and they advocate for stronger policies to protect elephants at all levels. From local governments to international bodies, policy change is crucial. The ECF's efforts are making a difference. With continued support, we can ensure a future where elephants roam freely and safely. Section 4. Triumphs in the face of adversity. Thanks to the tireless efforts of the ECF and its partners, there have been significant victories. China, once the largest market for ivory, has banned the trade. This is a major step towards ending the demand that fuels poaching. Public awareness about the plight of elephants is growing. More people understand the urgent need to protect them. This has led to increased support for conservation efforts. But our work is far from over. We must remain vigilant and continue to fight for the survival of elephants. Section 5. The fight continues, a call to action. This is a crucial moment in our journey to protect these incredible animals. The challenges facing elephants are immense, but we cannot afford to lose hope. From poaching to habitat loss, these gentle giants face numerous threats every day. The future of these magnificent creatures depends on our actions. We have the power to change their fate. and ensure they thrive in their natural habitats. We must continue to support organizations like the Elephant Crisis Fund. Their tireless efforts are crucial in the fight against poaching and habitat destruction. Each one of us can make a difference. Whether through donations, volunteering, or simply spreading awareness, our collective efforts can create a significant impact. Educate yourself about the ivory trade and the threats to elephant habitat. Knowledge is power, and by understanding the issues, we can better advocate for change. Support sustainable practices that protect wildlife. By choosing eco-friendly products and supporting responsible businesses, we can reduce our impact on the environment. Speak out against the illegal wildlife trade and encourage others to do the same. Our voices can drive policy changes and increase protection for these majestic animals. Together, we can be the voice for the voiceless and ensure that elephants continue to roam free for generations to come. So our actions today will shape the future for these incredible creatures.